Okay, question number 5. The question reads, what is the number of seniors in period 4? So all these students are in period 4, but not all of them are seniors. Some of them are freshmen, some of them are sophomores, juniors. All I want is the number of seniors in period 4. So I'm going to go down to my cell C22, and in this particular question, I'm going to use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function, we use this function to count the number of cells that meet a condition. The condition is I'm looking for only seniors in period 4. So I'm going to go up to my formulas bar, and I'm going to insert a function. I'm going to type this in, COUNTIF, and then I'm going to hit my go. You can see it's already been used here, so I can do it this way, or I can hit the go button, and there it pops up. Select the function COUNTIF. I'm going to say OK, and then my function arguments dialog box pops open, and I want the range, so I'm going to select this range here, all of my period 4, and then my criteria would be 12. That's what I'm looking for, the seniors only. And there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.